Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Wi-Fi adapter is disabled or hidden in the device manager on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager, and now you just need to click on this view tab over here and select show hidden devices. And now you just need to expand the network adapter section and see that's appear now in the list. If it is missing, then you just need to click on the network adapter section and now click on this action tab and select scan for hardware changes, and now it should appears in the network adapter list. If your Wi-Fi adapter is disabled, for example, I just disabling it. Now it is disabled guys. As you can see, the down arrow symbol is here. So if you want to enable this adapter, you just need to right click on it and select enable device guys, and that's all you have to do it guys. Close it off here and go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type ipconfig space slash flash flus cache DNS presenter. Successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now you just need to type NETS cache space WINSOCK space RESET presenter. Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. You just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.